Welcome back, guys, to a new episode of BreakIT, FixIT. On this episode I'm going to be showing you how to fix a loose battery. So for this trick we're going to be needing an extendable wrench with a 9x16 bolt, a piece of cloth or tissue, anything you can get your hands on, and the bolt within the piece of metal that is going to be holding the battery in place. So let's get started. So first start by fitting the piece of cloth or tissue in the 9x16 bolt, then push the bolt in the tissue and the bolt. Once it's in, it's not gonna be falling down. So let's get started. First, take the piece of metal and fit it in its right place, the support for the battery. So once aligned with the other half of the mechanism, just take your torque wrench and then take off the piece of cloth and bolt it tight. See, once the bolt is tight, the battery won't be loose again. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos.